Already slack, so I don't know if you guys are seeing. I'm trying to pack everything. Like, first of all, pick everything pickable, pick the trash. Then before I start, I need to even fleet this house. A lot of cockroaches are just moving around the house. Okay. So you guys see the trash I picked already. So I'm going to trash them. I'm just sifting it. So you guys can see what I'm doing actually. I'm trying to arrange here. Yeah, I'm trying to arrange here. So everything is just scattered. Are you guys see me? I'm going to flip this out. Like I said, I'm seeing cockroaches everywhere. I don't know. Rubber and this thing tripod stand is just misbehaving, so I just said let me just keep the phone on the bed. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm just trying to fold in my clothes into this bag. Don't mind that sound, like somebody lost their keys. They are trying to break the key or something. I'm just so overwhelmed. No, I think, how am I saying overwhelmed? I should be speaking positive because I am a child of God. I'm a light bearer. I don't need to be feeling this overwhelmed. Sometimes we are humans, bro. We keep pushing. Let's go. These people are just making noise. I'm just trying to take away everything out there and we throw them in the bag again. I don't know why I'm yawning like this, shower. This shower smells like something that I know try. I think I need to spread it outside again. So guys, I'm done arranging the clothes and I zipped the bag and it's already set. So what next? I actually took this thing outside just to, as you can see cockroach just in it, so I had to take it outside to fleet it. And so time to sweep the room thoroughly and mopping it. Is it too far? Let me bring you closer so you guys can be seeing me. This is my Bokoro thrice air. Guys, guess what? I shifted by the side of my bed to sweep it. The side of my bed stand to sweep the side, and I found 200 naira. I found money. I said I'm not going to. My tripod stand is not just standing, but I will just be showing you guys everything I'm doing. Don't worry. I know what to do. Okay, just chill. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I'm done with the room. Don't worry, after everything I'm going to show you guys how the house look in total. So this toilet, I'm trying to wash my toilet and wash some few clothes. It's just, I just want to wash few clothes and wash my toilet and the bedroom. Okay, and I'm playing worship song in the background, sha. I'm just washing the bathroom floor. So I can't show you guys just on my phone. I'm done already actually. I was done before I even set the camera. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to fill the bucket. As you can see, the bathroom floor and the toilet already washed. I'm just trying to fill the bucket and spread this clothes that I washed now. After spreading, then I'll enter the kitchen. Yeah, then I'm done. I will now take my shower. Actually, guys, I don't know what's wrong with NEPA. They just took the light, but they brought it. So I'm washing the clothes. What's wrong? But then I wanted to show you guys. Just you not see. You know, see, that's what is happening here. They just take it, they'll bring it, they'll take it, So guys, I had to mute it because of the music I was playing in the background. I wouldn't want to be copyrighted. I was just dancing, vibing, praising God before I would take my shower, okay? So I will go now and take my shower, then I will show you guys the full view of the room. Yay! He's looking so neat now. The breast, I said the breast. The bed is extremely dressed well. I hope you guys can understand. Yeah, look at this place, so well arranged. This, don't mind this rag. This is just like a foot mash in case you mash water or something. So this is the bedroom. Very neat. And let me show you the kitchen. Oh, thank God. And the kitchen is well arranged and everywhere is sparkling. Yeah. So that's it. So I'm taking my shower. I'm looking stunning. So it's time to shoot my video. I want to shoot one video today for my main channel, which is Alicia Nicky News. What am I going to shoot today? Okay, it's about Two-Face, and so after shooting, I think I will just edit and you know, because I have to post it around 6 or 7. Yeah, around 6. So guys, let's do it together. So guys, this one, my right hand is catching me. It's like money wants to enter my hand, so I just have to apply some lip gloss to look good while I start shooting. I just pray that this light will last. No, this one they are taking it. Let's not be that I'll be shooting video now. They'll just take the light. These sniper people, they can be so annoying sometimes. So I just a little lip gloss, nothing much, nothing different. Hard work. Okay guys, so let's go. Alicia Nicky News has come again with sweet. So guys, this is the end of today's vlog. Don't forget that here is your safe place. Feel free to drop how you feel on the comment section or what you need help about, and I will kindly help you. Okay, take care, love you, and Jesus loves you more. Mwah.